Grace Chomugisha, chairperson of the factory's board of directors, said the cooperative's inability to purchase fertilizers has left tea farmers demoralized and caused a sharp decline in yields. She attributed the problem to financial constraints that have crippled the factory's operations and appealed for government intervention to help restore productivity.
We have a challenge whereby our farmers have not received fertilizer for the last 4 years. Previously, the board and management, Kayonza Tea Factory, used to supply them with free fertilizer. But due to economic challenges that the factory is facing, we have failed to supply them with fertilizer for the last 4 years. And without the fertilizer, it means we have no tea. And the tea in which also we are getting, the little volumes we are getting, they are of very low quality that we cannot fetch a better price in the auction market in Mombasa.
Chinchizi West Member of Parliament, Honorable James Kaberuka, expressed concern that many tea nursery operators in the Chigezi sub-region who supplied seedlings to farmers have gone unpaid for years, forcing some into debt and threatening the future of tea cultivation in the area.
This factory that went to orient people of Zombo, isn't it? It is this factory that went to orient people of Zombo when the president started tea in Zombo. So our people are also suffering in Zombo. They have not been paid. And when we are making interventions here, Zombo people are in abeyance. So how can we intervene also to help them?
Despite the current challenges, Kanungu District Chairperson Sam Arinaite Kajojo commended the tea industry for transforming livelihoods across the district, up from just one a few years ago, collectively generating approximately 54 billion Uganda shillings annually from tea production.
The tea sector in Kanungu District, we used to have only 1,500 growers or farmers in the tea sector before 2008. To date, this has grown to 12,600 farmers, and aggregately we find that we have 86,000 people of total population employed in the tea sector. Some in the gardens, some in the transport sector, and some in the value action in these processing plants. Tea used to bring a total income to people of Kanungu through green leaf purchase annually to a tune of 8 billion. That is about 16 years ago.
Meanwhile, the NRM Vice Chairperson for Western Uganda, Asimwe Leonard, who visited the factory in a presidential directive to assess its challenges, pledged to present the factory's concerns to President Yoweri Museveni for immediate action. He acknowledged that the tea industry faces several operational gaps that require urgent government attention to sustain its contribution to Uganda's export earnings.
To brief His Excellency on how to improve. We shouldn't look at only improving the other in the factory equipment, but the reasons of why the factory is not producing, they have been noted in the report, and I'm going sure that to discuss them with the responsible authorities and probably even His Excellency to see that farmers now can rejuvenate. I know the cost of tea had gone low on international. It was around 0.8, but now I think it is above 1.5 US dollars, meaning that as the prices become stable, better, we are going to work hard to see that even the farmers are able to get better.
As Kayonza Tea Factory continues to incur losses, stakeholders remain hopeful that timely government intervention will revitalize the once thriving tea industry, which supports thousands of households in Kanungu and the wider Chigezi region. Compiled by Jacob Niwamanya for Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.